Alien power sources versus Anthko's theory of time. Let's get super theoretical, almost into the realm of sci-fi. Anthko's theory of time is a theory because it's not proven, or else it would be Anthko's the law of time, right? So let's extrapolate off that theory and look at how aliens would travel through the universe if Anthko's theory of time was correct. And to do that, you're going to need several things: a spaceship or a vessel of some sort, a power source, propulsion. And in this particular video, we're going to talk about the power source. If Anthko's theory of time is correct, and time is composed of discrete particles called temporal quanta that act on other particles, then we could use that knowledge and that capability, if we were able to harness it, to actually affect those other particles. So, if I was a space alien and Anthko's theory of time was correct, and I had knowledge of temporal quanta and was able to manipulate them, I would create a core of temporal quanta that was very tightly packed, almost solid, and then I would start creating a very small, very small core, because we don't want to create another universe, right? We don't want to explode ourselves, but a very tiny core of temporal quanta. And then I would use other exotic particles to speed past that core, such that as they arrived near the core, they would slow in speed but accelerate in age. And right at the point when their distance to the core was reduced the greatest, that is where I would want those particles to degrade such that there is a nuclear reaction that provides energy. And then, of course, that energy can be consumed by surrounding components and fed into the systems or energy reserve or energy tanks of the vessel. And that's basically how a power source, if an alien were to create it using Anthko's theory of time, would work. You would have this very small core of temporal quanta that would hyper age and hyper slow exotic particles, and maybe not even super exotic particles, as they passed by, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. So you could send a near continuous flow of very discrete amounts of particles past this core and create tremendous amounts of energy at a very specific rate of production. And that's all.